Hi guys, Kyung here, and I'm super excited, super excited. So today I got this package from Lisa at Lisa's Paper, Lace, and Bling. And every month she has someone to like sponsor her shop. Well, I buy from her shop anyway. I love her shop. But every month she has someone to like, she sends a box of goodies to someone, right? Just a box of goodies. So I'm gonna show off the goodies that I got, and I'll have a link in the description below to her shop and her YouTube and all her stuff. She also has a Facebook group. But her shop is definitely worth visiting because her stock is always changing. And she's the shop that I got that really cute train ribbon from. First of all, look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, I love this. This is darling. This is darling. So most of this stuff, like she should have listed in her shop as of now, I think. But some of her stuff goes pretty quick, so I can't guarantee that any of this is so pretty. This is going to go in the romance journal. Little tiny bits here and there, right? Because we have a little bits of yellow that I've been putting throughout, and that is so pretty. I don't know, does it have it looks like it has a wire in it. Not a big deal. I can de-wire. I de-wire ribbon all the time. This is pretty too. Wow. This would be great for like a unicorn journal or I don't know, maybe a lot of things. It's very pretty. Awesome. I love this. Ribbons. Oh, look at this. This is cute. I bet that's a piece of Venetian lace or something. I know she sells Venetian lace in her shop. Oh, oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. So I asked her if she had any like beautiful handkerchiefs that she could list in her shop for me because I've been looking for handkerchiefs. And she was like, I have a bunch. And so she was gonna list a bunch in her shop. And look, she sent me one. And it's beautiful. Oh, look at the roses. Oh, I love. That will probably also go in the romance journal. That's beautiful, gorgeous. Oh, cool. Okay, what is this? This is some thread. It feels waxed, but I like that it's thicker. I'll put that in my bookbinding kit. I'll definitely use that. Yeah, that's great thread or like twine. It definitely feels waxy, but not really. You know, I have wax thread and it doesn't really feel like that, but it's more stiff. It definitely feels treated with something. It's really nice. I love it. I'll use that in the train journal probably. Oh, more of this. Oh, awesome. I had bought some of this with the first order and I used pretty much all of it. So I'm so happy to get another like snippet of this. That's awesome. I love all her laces. She has so many different pretty laces. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? And like all her stock is always changing. So like, you know, I got that pretty pink rose ribbon. That's where I got that pretty pink rose ribbon was from her shop too. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, I'm so excited. This is gorgeous. That'll be so pretty to like cut out and use just as, you know, clusters or something on a page. Look at how pretty that is. That's gorgeous. Some of this stuff I'm like, I don't want to use, I want to hoard. But then at the same time, oh, look at this. Look, another piece of like embroidered maybe either a handkerchief, a piece of handkerchief, or maybe the edge of like a tablecloth, a pretty embroidered tablecloth. It's really pretty. I'm like looking at the back of it. That's my mother in me saying, look at the back of the embroidery. Always look at the back. Oh, yay! Awesome. Little sticker. Little crochet flowers. I've been wanting some of these. I was also asking her if she had any of these to list in her shop, and she said she did. So she should have some of these listed in her shop too. I love crochet flowers. I'll probably coffee dye these. I might use one or two in the romance journal. And we have this lace. Very pretty. Quite a bit of that. Maybe a yard or two. Oh, this. Look at this. This is like one of the vintage laces. I love her vintage laces. So pretty. And the brown. Oh, I love the brown. The brown will get used in the train journal. Because the train journal I'm going to make pretty grungy, you know? This is gorgeous. And I love these cotton. Look at this cotton, this vintage cotton like trim. Oh, it's so delicate feeling. I love all the like Jane Austen kind of era looking stuff. So like, look at this. Oh, I'm so happy to get some of this. I love this. The eyelet. Oh, this is gorgeous, gorgeous. So happy to get some eyelet trim. Yeah, I'm gonna make a whole nother order from her shop because she has a bunch of this like cotton. Look at this, like these cotton eyelet trims, and they're gorgeous. And I can't find them anywhere. I've been looking. Look at this one is embroidered, and I want to eventually. Because I'm starting to save up now to just collect things. I'm starting to collect things to make a Jane Austen journal eventually. Oh, look at this lace. Awesome. That will also go in the train journal. Some more vintage lace. This looks like it's been, it's been through some stuff. That's okay. I think I remember her telling me about this. She said this one was soiled, It's it's a crochet lace, but that's not a big deal. I can hand wash it. I know how to deal with this. And then if it's like stained, we'll just like coffee stain it real good and it'll be fine. Oh, such pretty yellow. I love the yellow laces. Awesome. Oh, look at this. Look at this cool ribbon. This is very retro. I love it. It would also look great in like a nature journal. I might put that with my nature journal stuff that I have. Because I still have a bunch of stuff left over from the nature journal that we did in Miss Paint-A-Lot's group. Oh, yay! Oh, look at these. Look at these. Oh, these are great. They're like they're like little embellishment blingy things. Oh, look at these flowers. Oh, those are pretty. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, Lisa. So, yes, amazing stuff. Her shop is amazing, and I recommend everyone to go just take a look, she has really good prices. So that was the thing that like really, I was like, wow, you have such amazing laces and so many beautiful trims and yeah, bling, things like this, for affordable. I'm like always really pleased when I go to her shop. So yay, I'm so happy with my new stuff. I can't wait to play. That'll go in with the train journal stuff. And then tomorrow we start the Christmas journal. Yay! So that's it. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.